video, we're going to see how to use DEXCREENER to buy and find new meme coins in the market. So what you do, you come to your browser here. You can even go to Google and then you type DEXCREENER. But you have to be careful when you're using Google to search those tools, because sometimes they are fake tools and you can be hacked like that. So you have here is DEXCREENER.com. So click on DEXCREENER. Okay, so it's going to show the list of crypto. So here is giving you the list of all the crypto. You can search if you have the name of the crypto that you're looking for. Let's say, for example, I don't know, Pepe. So you can search for the crypto that you're looking for, right? Or you can even put the contract address of the crypto that you're looking for, or you can choose from the list here. So that's how you search the crypto. So you can also create a watch list of the crypto that you like. So let's say, for example, that I like this crypto here, GAY. So I'm going to click on GAY here. Then I'll come down here. I'll click on watch list. There's going to say manage my list. So I click on manage my list here. And then I'm going to give the name of the watch list I want to create. So my new token. So I'm going to call it my new meme list. Okay. Then I create the list. It's only when I created the list that I can add a token to my list. So now I come back here, click on watch list. They say, which list do you want to put it to? I want to put it to my new meme list. So I click on this one. So you can see now it's on my watch list. So if I come here now and I click on watch list, and then from here, I click on my new meme list, you can see I have this token here, GAY Sol. Okay, so you can set an alert as well. So you set an alert from token that you already have in your wallet. So let me remove this one from here. Okay, so let's say I want to set a new alert. So I click on alert. They say you haven't set any alert yet. Set price alert in a pair. So to set the alert, again, you have to go to the token that you have to open up the token that you want to set the alert for. And then you click here, alert, down here. Click on alert. Click on alert there. And then now you can set the alert. You can say, I want, if the price goes over 0.00, let's say 0.007, then let me know. Then I create the alert here. Create alert. Okay. So now I have my alert. So if I come back here now on alert, I will see that I have an active alert. It's going to pop up on my screen if the price gets to that point. So new pairs is the main list that you get. So this is the main list that we get here with new token. Multi-chart, you can create a chart based on the token that you like. So I already have this one here. Let's do add a chart. So let's say I want to add a chart for Pepe. Okay, so I choose Pepe here. Then it's going to create a chart for me for Pepe, right? So you can make it full screen if you want to see what's actually going there. So let's come back. Okay. So new pairs are going to give you the new pairs. So now you can filter. Let's say you want to see the crypto for last 5 minutes. So I do last 5 minutes here. And then here, it has been trending for the last 5 minutes. So I'm going to choose those two options to see the token that have been trending for the last 5 minutes. So I can see now the new token that just came out for the last 5 minutes. And then now I can do my research on them. I can decide what I want to do. So another thing that you can do here is to add your wallet. So you can open on portfolio here. You can add your wallet. So you say you are not tracking any wallet yet. So add wallet. Click wallet. Name of the wallet. My new token. My new meme list wallet. Okay, now they say give the address of the wallet. So now you have to go to Phantom, open your Phantom, and then you get the address of the wallet that you want to add. So we say we're working with Solana here. I click on this and then enter wallet and then add wallet. Now any token that I have here, I'll be able to see it. Any token that I have in my wallet, I'll be able to see it here. All right, so let's come back to the list, the new pairs. So here on the new pairs, you can actually filter. If you don't want too much noise, you can filter. So you can filter here. And on your filter, you can say, I want token that have at least a liquidity of $1 million with a market cap of at least $1 million as well. Okay, then you hit apply. And it's going to show you only the token with the liquidity of minimum $1 million and market cap of minimum $1 million. So that's how you filter the noise if you want to expand your research. Okay, so now how do you buy a token on DEXCREENER? So DEXCREENER doesn't connect to your wallet right away. You have to go look for it. So let's say I want to buy this token here, Nero. I click on it. Then I come down here. You see trade on Radium. So Radium is a decentralized exchange where you can actually trade your Nero. So I click on trade on Radium. And now I have to connect my Phantom wallet. So come here. I connect my Phantom wallet because I already had it. And then based on the amount of Solana that I have, I'll be able to buy Nero. So here you can buy Nero against Solana, and then that's how you do your swap, and then it's gonna add Nero in your wallet. So that's how you use DEXCREENER to search new token and to buy the newest token in the market. I'll see you in the next video.